Good morning class 4. Myself Ranjit Kumar. I welcome you all in the e-learning program of Modern English School Kunti Nagar, Nevada. This is the third video lecture of the chapter Teeth and Microbes. Till now we have discussed permanent teeth and temporary teeth. After that we have discussed different type of teeth like incisor, canine, premolar and molar. We have also discussed number of teeth. Okay. In today's video we are going to discuss parts of teeth, means how many parts of teeth are there. So have you ever seen any plant? So if you see a plant, see some part of the plant is below the soil and some part of the plant which is above the soil. So the part which is below the soil, that we call root, and the part of the plant which is above the soil, that is called shoot. Same thing here also. When we see our teeth, the part of the teeth that we can see, means part of the teeth which is above the gum. What is gum? The pink colored structure in which teeth is placed, that is called gum. So the part of the teeth that is above the gum is called the crown, and the part of the teeth which is below the gum is called the root. Okay, see here I have drawn this diagram here. This black color, this is actually gum, and this gum is, in our case, when we see in mirror, the pink colored structure which is just below the teeth is called gum. So the part of the teeth which is above the gum, this portion is called crown, and the part of the teeth which we cannot see, which is inside the gum, that is called root. Okay, so teeth mainly has two parts. First, the crown, the part of teeth above the gum is called crown. Okay, next is the root. What is this? The part of teeth below the gum is called root. Okay, so broadly, part on the basis which part is seen and which part is not seen. The part which of the teeth which we can see is called the crown, and the part of the teeth which we cannot see is called root. Same goes with the plant. Part of the plant that we can see is called shoot, and the part of the plant which is under the ground and we cannot see it, that is called the root. Okay, next, mainly the teeth has three parts. First, the outermost layer of the teeth is called enamel. Okay, the outermost layer means सबसे बाहर का layer. The outermost layer of the teeth, this is the teeth, and this is the outermost layer, this is called enamel. And just next to the enamel, means this portion, this is called dentine. So if someone asks you part of teeth, you will say three parts of teeth is there. Outermost layer is enamel, next to enamel is dentine, and the innermost part of the teeth is called pulp. So the teeth mainly has three parts: the enamel, the dentine and the pulp. Okay, so teeth have mainly three parts. First is enamel. What we can say about enamel? Enamel is the outermost part of the teeth. Enamel, it is the outermost part or layer of teeth. Next, this enamel is the hardest substance of our body. Next, it is hardest substance of our body, right? And it protects wear and tear. Wear and tear means damage to the internal part of the teeth. So it protects internal part of teeth from wear and tear. Okay, so it is the outermost layer of the teeth. It is the hardest substance of our body, and it protects the internal part of the teeth from wear and tear. Next is, it forms the crown of teeth. It forms the crown of teeth. Okay, so we know this much about enamel. Okay, next is dentine. It lies next to the enamel and it protects the pulp. So what we can say about dentine? It lies under the enamel and protects the pulp. Okay, so this is the dentine. It protects the pulp. Next is pulp. It is the innermost part. That was enamel was the outermost, सबसे बाहर का. Pulp is the innermost, सबसे अंदर का part. So, and it contains blood vessels and nerves. So, it is the innermost part of teeth which contain blood vessels and nerves. Okay, so these are the three part of the teeth. One small point, gum. What is the use of gum? The pink colored structure in which teeth is present is called gum. Okay, so gum holds the teeth at their right place. So gum holds the teeth. Unhealthy gums cause pain and bleeding, and ultimately it may loss in the teeth, means it may cause fall of the teeth. Okay, so small some point is there about gum. Note it down, means you will write it down. Gum holds the teeth tightly at their place. Okay, next is unhealthy gum cause pain and bleeding, and ultimately fall of teeth. So gum holds the teeth tightly at their right place, and unhealthy gum cause pain and bleeding. If this problem is not sorted, means if you don't take care of if you are having pain in the gum, or if you are bleeding while brushing, you are bleeding, it means that your gum is unhealthy. You should go to the dentist and get the checkup, and maybe some lack of nutrient or maybe some other reason could be there for unhealthy gum. If you not get it treated, so ultimately your teeth will fall. So you have to take care of your teeth. Okay, thank you for the day. Still, if anyone have problem, you can ask in the morning.